That's right, everybody. I listed my first item on Poshmark today, and it feels good to have another stream of income, potentially to come into the bank account, to have another avenue to sell things. And I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions. There's gonna be a lot of people that are like, oh, why is he going to Poshmark? And why is he making videos about Poshmark and blah, blah, blah. But I just wanted to lay it out and explain it to you guys here first so that you know exactly why I'm doing what I'm doing and my thought process behind Poshmark in general. So I see a lot of good things about Poshmark. I see a lot of positives. I've researched it. I've had the app. I just never actually listed any inventory on it. I could have listed stuff 6 months ago when I first downloaded it, or 9 months ago, whatever. I got it probably fourth quarter of last year. So I definitely could have. I just chose not to. I always research things a lot, typically not this long, but here's my thought on Poshmark for the people that are gonna say, oh, don't you love eBay? Don't you love Amazon? Of course, and I'm gonna continue to sell on those platforms. Obviously, it goes without question, but it's great to have multiple streams of income, and it's also great never to have all of your eggs in one basket. And so I want to take certain items and put them on Poshmark that may or may not go on eBay. And as you guys know, and I made a video before, the whole cross-posting, cross-listing thing used to be strictly against eBay's policy. They've reworded the terms of service. They've removed things from it, over the last year or 2 years, where there's nothing about being or having a piece of merchandise, a shirt, a button-up shirt that you have here on eBay being listed over on Poshmark. The problem, which I've always preached and comes into play, is if this shirt, you go to bed and this shirt sells at midnight on Poshmark, and you wake up and somebody bought it on eBay, now you've got 2 sales for the same shirt, and you're gonna start working on cancellations and all things of that nature, which are always bad. You don't wanna cancel products on eBay because, one, it can hurt your feedback, it can hurt your metrics, etc. So the obvious answer people would always say is go ahead and just cancel it on Poshmark, which at this point in time, yes, that makes sense. You won't get a ding, but you don't want to make a habit of doing that. So you have to be careful with cross-posting. But I do want to, share platforms that have other streams of income, etc. Now, my point in making these videos is that I want to show what it's like to start as a brand new Poshmark seller listing their very first item through the first week, month, 3 months, 6 months, first, extended period stretch of time. And so that's my point in making these videos. I'm never going to claim to be a Poshmark expert. I don't know the first thing about Poshmark other than how to post an item and that there's something cool about hanging out in parties. I'll learn. I'm gonna learn right along with all of you guys and any of you that wanna start while I do it. And so you'll be able to see the videos on the problems I have, any issues, on sales, on all the things you would normally come to expect from me, but just on Poshmark as I figure it all out. Now, there are some amazing YouTubers and social media people, Instagram, Twitter, that do Poshmark. They've done it for a while. They're way more seasoned. They're experts. They sell thousands of dollars a month on Poshmark. And I also want to open that invitation up to some of them, if they do have experience, to come on my channel and help people out, or possibly if they're making videos on their channel, I can give them some FaceTime and promotion and shout them out and help out the little guys that would like to grow their channels because they do have such good information. So I'm kind of going to be your middle man here, getting you with the experts, and I'm gonna be learning from them too, so this is gonna help me as I go along on Poshmark as well. So that's kind of the breakdown. This is why I'm doing it. It's why I wanna sell on it. And I had some people ask that now that I'm selling on Poshmark, would I be going to Dallas in October for PoshFest? Normally I would say no. I have a lot of conferences coming up. I have Midwest Ecom in Minnesota, I have Vegas eBay Open, and one other event that I can't mention right now that may or may not be happening by the end of the year. So that would make 4 conferences if I added PoshFest, and I just got done with one, so it'd be 5 in like 6 months. Kind of overwhelming. But if I'm gonna start these videos, start this journey, and try to learn Poshmark, one of the best ways to do it is networking. I've learned that through all my other conferences, and going to Dallas might be in my best interest. Now, just about 30 minutes ago, tickets sold out, and so I do have a way to get a ticket. That's not an issue. I'm still deciding, and I'll let you guys know as it gets closer whether I'll be in Dallas or not. I may or may not be. I have friends there too I can stay with, so we'll have to see. But for now, we're gonna stick to this. I'm gonna show you guys my first day on Poshmark, what we did, what I accomplished, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Check out the video, make sure you like this video, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff, and welcome to Rockstarflipper on Poshmark. Thank you guys so much. Okay, so here's my Poshmark closet. Obviously, it's right there under my name, Rockstarflipper, and it's official. I have my first item, my first listing up in the closet. It's a BKE buckle women's sheer shirt. It's a teal color, little long sleeve thing. Now, I've had this on eBay for a couple of months. I paid like $1 for it or $2 or something. Most of these BKE shirts were showing, solds on Posh and eBay around 15 to 20. I priced it at $18. It's an extra small, so, I'm just trying to get that first listing up, and then we're going to hammer it out. My goal for May is 100 active. I'd really like to get to 2 or 250. We'll see, with 10 days gone out of the month. I've only got 20 days left. I'd like to just, hit 100 is the realistic. I'm definitely going to get there. 200 is my goal. I'd love to, by the end of the year, have a sizable store in the thousands on this platform, but we'll see. Today was just getting this first listing up, learning what I'm doing. Lots of you guys reached out to me to help, so thank you so much. 551 followers is what I have, which is pretty incredible. Pretty sure I only had about 30 or 40 this morning. I'll have to look at the screenshot. So I picked up over 500 followers today. I followed 157 of you. I will go back and follow more of you. I know I promised you guys I would. I clicked through a bunch of them, but I just ran out of time, so I'll go back and do that later. And then we're going to get to serious posting tomorrow. It looks like I've already got some comments and some likes and whatnots on this item, so gonna go through and learn some more about this. But there's the Poshmark closet. If you are on there, feel free to follow me, and I will try to do the same to as many as I can. Look for the store to start getting 20, 30, 40, 50 listings up through next week, and then of course the goal that I set for myself for May. Gonna put up a lot of guys clothes because it is what I'm best at, and it is, from what I understand, guys clothes do very well on here, and shoes and jeans. So that's probably what we're gonna focus on in the upcoming week. But this is basically my intro to Poshmark, my first day, first listing on the platform, and I can't wait to do more. It was pretty quick, pretty easy, pretty exciting, and I had a lot of you guys giving me help and suggestions, so I can't thank you enough for that. Cheers to a new stream of income, a new platform, and learning new things. Just like you guys, I come to YouTube, I come to social media, I come online to learn. Every single day I'm learning something, and today was Poshmark 101. So thank you guys again, and I will see you in the next video. There'll be more Poshmark videos coming. I don't know how soon, but hopefully in the next few days or the week, I'll get another one up for you about how the progress is going, and I'll keep you up to date. Have a wonderful evening, guys. Come back for the 9 o'clock live show. We're going to be announcing an eBay Open giveaway, ticket giveaway with Wade's Ventures, and I'll see you guys at 9.